Everyone thinks their bug-out pack is ready. Water bottle? Check. Flashlight? Check. Beef jerky? Check. But here's the truth. Most bug-out bags are death traps waiting to happen. Because when society cracks, the difference between life and death isn't the obvious gear. It's the stuff you forgot. This is the top 7 bug-out pack items everyone overlooks 2025 edition. Write this down or die tired. Number 7. Multi-use cloth, bandana or shimag. You thought it was fashion. Wrong. A square of cloth is survival Swiss Army knife. Filter dirty water, bandage wounds, sling a busted arm, cover your face from dust storms or glowing fallout ash, or just wave it when you're desperate enough to signal help. Light, cheap, forgotten, until you don't have one. Number 6. Manual can opener. You packed cans, right? Good. Now explain how you open them without electricity. Rocks work if you like bent metal and sliced hands. A manual can opener weighs ounces and keeps you from bleeding out because you wanted beans. People forget this one until they're smashing soup cans on a curb like cavemen. Number 5. Compact first aid for more than Band-Aids. Everyone shoves in Band-Aids like it's a school trip, but real injuries and collapse aren't paper cuts. Think splints, antiseptic, clotting agents, painkillers. A field trauma kit turns a crippling wound into a survivable injury. Without it, infection eats you alive faster than hunger ever will. Number 4. Barter goods. Money dies the second the grid does, but vices never lose value. Cigarettes, coffee, alcohol, even over-the-counter meds. You don't need to smoke, drink, or chug espresso shots, but somebody will, and that somebody will trade food, water, or protection for what you carry. Pack trade, not just survival. Number 3. Low-tech communication tools. Your phone is a brick. Cowers? Silent. Satellites? Burning space junk. So how do you talk to anyone? Answer: go old school. Hand crank radios, signal mirrors, even a whistle. These low-tech lifelines mean you're not stuck in solo mode while the world crumbles. Because surviving alone isn't survival. It's a slow death. Number 2. Morale item. The one nobody thinks about. You'll pack for calories, water, fire, but you'll forget your brain. Mental collapse kills more preppers than bullets. A journal, a deck of cards, a cheap paperback. Something that reminds you you're still human. Survival isn't just enduring nature. It's enduring your own head. Number 1. Water purification that isn't just a filter. Filters clog, filters break, filters run out. Then what? Real preppers carry backups. Iodine tablets, portable UV lights, or the knowledge to boil and distill with trash. Because 3 days without water, and you're a skeleton. A backup water plan is the line between 72 hours of panic and a month of survival. Let's recap what everyone else forgets while they're busy packing candy bars. Multi-use cloth, can opener, real first aid, barter goods, low-tech comms, morale items, backup water purification. That's the overlooked 7. Pack 'em or pay the price. Your bug-out pack is your lifeline when the trucks stop rolling, shelves empty, and the world forgets you exist. Pack smart, think beyond the obvious, and when everyone else is fighting over sneakers, you'll be walking away with survival in your pack. This is survival science. Ugly, sarcastic, but real. Because when collapse comes, overlooked equals dead.